Hi, and welcome to our 15th Do-It-Yourself podcast video on Excel. My name is Deborah Jean, and my friends, they refer to me as DJ, and I'm from the Accounting Business Solutions by JCS. Our goal is to provide you with the tools to assist your organization to reach the next level of success. We specialize in Sage 50, Sage 100, QuickBooks accounting, and software, and so much more. So let's begin. Today what we're going to be reviewing is Shape Quick Styles. That's another tool that you can use on one of your Excel charts. And then I'm going to give you a look at that in just a moment. This is also referred to as adding preset graphic styles. In addition to online and local imported from graphic files, you can insert preset graphic shapes in your chart or your worksheet by selecting their thumbnails on the Shapes drop-down gallery on the Insert tab of the ribbon. When you open the Shapes gallery by clicking on Shapes buttons in the Illustration group on the Insert tab of the ribbon, you see that it's divided into 9 sections. So let's take a look at that. Okay, up here in your ribbons bar, which is your tools going across the top, let's say you're on your home section. What you want to do is you will not find it here. You need to click on Insert, and then you need to go to the Illustrations area right here and click on that down arrow. When you do, it gives you selections. What we're going to learn today is shapes. Okay, so if you click on Shapes, it's going to show you, like I said earlier, the 9 different areas. These are all the already pre-made shapes that you can go ahead and use in your cells. Okay? Okay. After you click the thumbnail of the preset shape in this drop-down gallery, the mouse pointer or touch pointer becomes a crosshair you use to draw the graphic by dragging it to the size you want. After you release the mouse button and remove your finger for stylus from the touch screen, the shape you've drawn in the worksheet is still selected. This is indicated by the selection handles around the perimeter and the rotation handle at the top. You can use this to reposition, resize, and rotate the shape if need be. Additionally, this program activates the Format tab on the drawing tools. To set the shape and remove the selection and rotate handles, click anywhere in the worksheet outside of the shape. Okay, so let's take a little look at that. Over to the left here, you will see this arrow. I've already done this for you, but let's go ahead and delete the arrow and redo it from scratch. Okay, so you click on Insert, Illustrations, and we are going to do Shapes. Okay, so let's say we want to do, let's say that arrow again. Here's the arrow. You click on your arrow. Now, whatever cell you click in is going to put that arrow in that cell. See, there you go. Now, these lines around the arrow allows you to resize and reshape your arrow. So let's say you just want it to point at all of these different products. And by the way, these are the most popular products today for your accounting business solutions. So let's go ahead and make that arrow a little longer just to bring attention to those things there. And let's bring it down just a little bit and make it a little fatter and wider. Okay, so there you go. And again, like always, Control Save is going to save that arrow to this chart. So if there's a power failure or anything, you're not going to lose all the work that you've done previously. Okay, and there's kind of a brief overview of that chart. Okay, so that is what we call Shape Quick Styles. Again, Insert, Illustrations, Shapes, and then choose from whichever one that you wish. Okay? There are many features that Excel has to offer to reach the next level of success and produce extremely professional documents. We have a list where you can review them as many times as you wish. Our clients are our number one concern, and your success is our goal. We are sure that these videos and future ones will add to your knowledge of this incredible program. Thank you so much for taking the time to invest in your future and learn just a little bit more about the Excel program. We will provide you with complimentary business review on your next accounting software solution. We will determine your needs and wants for now and in the future to help your growth and customize a package that perfectly fits your needs and allows you the future growth that you deserve. With Excel and several other programs, excellent training and daily support that you may need with solutions for your everyday business needs that will help your business be more streamlined and cost efficient. We'd like to take this time to thank you for joining our podcast from the team at Accounting Business Solutions by JCS. This is DJ signing off from Basic Introduction to the Excel program. Have a wonderful day and check out the next podcast at your convenience. Thank you so much. Bye now.